All right, guys, we're here. The wolf pack is here. We've arrived at our destination. How we doing, ladies?
Oh, we're ready to go.
We're excited. Okay. All right, vloggers, let's go. Accidentally locked the girls out of here. Oh, we're recording.
Get out of the car. Maybe we should just come back another time. I feel like we could come another time. I don't know.
Like, it's fine. Guys, we need to find out if it's true or not. Do you remember where the sightings were?
I'm pretty sure it was like the marshish areas.
Okay, the marsh. So that means we have to go.
So that means we have to avoid that spot, yeah.
No, we're going.
There we are.
All right, we're out here.
So it was the yellow trail, right? We're not doing that red
No,
one.
it was red. We're going on the red one.
I don't know why you guys didn't take me.
Just stop being so scared.
Oh, sorry, I don't want to go missing.
Dude, they're conspiracy theories. He's not real, okay?
Real people have gone missing.
See anything yet, Dad?
Nope, and I sure hope I don't. What about you?
Yo, where's Ange? Angela! Guys, I don't see her.
I told you guys this was a bad idea. Oh, got you!
That was so good.
I don't want to be here. I hate this. It wasn't funny.
Yeah, it was kind of funny.
Got her. Wow, it's really nice.
I don't think we're gonna find anything, guys. We should just.
I agree with
It's
you.
fake
Kayla,
news.
To be honest. I think we should go. I mean, it's beautiful, but like.
Guys, it looks so cool.
Guys, I think we should go.
No.
I think we should go.
No, like, look.
No, well, like, are you guys stupid?
I'm excited.
Why are you excited? People are going missing. People are going missing. How many times do I have to say it? Yeah, I'm gonna get my face in here so when I go missing, they know what's in it. Stop. Maybe I should take my sunglasses off so they can really see it.
You're over exaggerating.
How am I even supposed to smile?
1, 2, 3.
We've recruited some backup.
We've decided to keep moving forward after a little break for a little picture, a little Insta pic. You're lighting up back there, Danica.
Yeah, I posted on my story that picture of us, and like people keep replying to it. Saying what?
Really?
Yo, what?
What are they saying?
Oh my god, what is going on?
Dude.
What is that?
What are they saying?
I don't know. Everyone's like, guys, like, what's behind you? WTF is behind you.
What do you mean?
What's behind you guys? What the heck?
Okay, that's it. We're leaving.
No.
What is it?
Is this for real?
What is
Guys,
it?
I'm not kidding.
This isn't a joke anymore, guys.
Look at it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my
god.
god. Oh my god.
No, stop.
Oh, we gotta go.
Dude, stop.
Where are you going? Oh my god.
Stupid idea. Why are we here?
Get up. Come on.
Did you guys actually, what was that? Oh my god. Sorry, you scared us a bit. Okay, well, like, we're already here. I don't really know why. Like, you're really gonna look at the picture and see that and then decide let's keep going?
Why are you filming right now?
Guys, like, what are we gonna do now? This is actual evidence.
I know.
I think we should
That's
keep
why
going.
I think like we need to keep going.
Why, like, you know that people have gone missing and you want to keep going? Like, do you want to be the next one?
You're either you're in or you're out, but like we all have to go together.
Well, you guys really think we should keep going after people have gone missing?
Yes.
You wanna
Yeah,
be the
well,
next
we
one?
just saw that thing in the picture, so we're getting close.
Yeah.
Well, like if you
Exactly.
think about it, like
that's the problem.
the farther that we go and we figure this all out, like we can find those people.
Or the more chance we have of going missing ourselves.
If you
There's
want to go,
already-
just go, Daff.
fuck this.
Good luck. Don't go missing.
Yeah.
Okay,
See you guys when you go
Such a
missing.
baby.
guys,
Go.
should we do this?
Just
I'm
stop
good.
filming for a minute.
Dude, what do you think they're talking about?
She's gonna go. Like
Why does she have to be like this
think she's
every
gonna stay.
time? She hasn't been invested this whole time.
Really, guys?
Dude, we have to get everything.
We gotta get going if we're gonna keep moving forward.
It's gonna get dark soon. Come on.
Tell my mom I love her.
Just go then.
No, it's fine. She's coming. I talked it over. I apologize. Okay, so update. We've been walking for about 5 minutes. Daphne's in a positive mind space, right?
Yeah.
Oh, God. All right. It's kind of getting a little bit darker out. Oh, my God. Did you hear that?
What was that?
I don't know.
Yo,
Oh, my God. She's right behind us.
Daph!
What the heck? Oh, my God.
This isn't funny.
Oh, my God. We can't find Daph.
What? Is it that? I think it's her sunglasses.
Yo,
Oh my
move,
God.
move.
Dude, it looks like someone was dragged.
What?
Guys,
Oh, my God.
these are
What is
hers,
it?
right?
Those are her sunglasses.
Guys,
Yo, like,
these are Daph's.
this
are
is
her
like, don't
sunglasses.
step here. Like, this looks like she was dragged.
look at those
It looks like someone
footprints.
was dragged.
They're huge.
Oh my God. So we decided to come back to the car, to see if Daph was here, and she's not. So we're just kind of trying to decide what to do next. Like, I think we should, like, go look for her. It's
If it
getting
were
dark
me-
out, and
If it were me, I'd want you guys to come find me, so we gotta do it.
I know. But, like, I feel like we should just, like, call the police and, like, get them involved too. Like,
What are we gonna tell them though?
Yeah, it's not like a missing persons case after like 2 days. Until after 2 days.
okay, well, yeah, I guess we have to go back to the trails and look for her.
We can't go home without her, so we have to.
I know. Okay. Blackberry sighting. That's not good, guys. Oh my God, I'm really
And it's
worried.
getting late.
I know.
But
We gotta go. We gotta go.
okay, we gotta keep moving.
Okay,
Move quick.
So we've decided that we're gonna call Daphne's phone to see if she'll answer, if we can hear it ringing.
Calling her phone.
I hear something.
Oh my God.
I hear it. Oh my God, I see it. I see her phone. Oh my God, what is this?
Oh my God. People are screaming.
Oh my God. Okay, like, what is this place?
Kayla, come check this out. You're the smart one. Kayla!
Oh my God. Okay.
No.
Where did she go?
Dan, this is scary. Like, I just want to go home at this point. Like, I don't know.
I know, man.
This is serious.
I don't know what to do. Like, I'm really getting scared.
Same. It's not funny anymore, and I just want to go home, and I don't know.
Oh my God. Oh my God, what is that? We gotta hide. Oh my God. Be quiet. I don't know. Does he see us? No, I'm trying. He's right there. He's right. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh my God. Oh my God.